Hey y'all, this is Fresh Refresher Fire Backyard Living. I wanted to show y'all the end results of that huge wood chip pile that we had from the tree that was cut in the front. Some amazing things happened. We just pretty much had a pile over here and a pile over here and just let it sit in the elements, get wet. Come closer. I want to see how it broke down. This is the richest, prettiest stuff. And we put it in this tub because we had it available. We had cleaned it out to put stuff in the storage room. But look at how rich and pretty this is. Let's see if I can dig a little lower. Now, still getting oxygen too because there's a lot of living organisms in here. They probably scared them on down. But when I was first digging in here, I was seeing earthworms everywhere. But you can see all kind of little bugs and everything breaking the wood chips down, but it is so rich and healthy. This is what I'm putting in the fall winter garden bed. So there we go. Yeah, where did he go? I know I just saw one. But yeah, the earthworms, roly-polies, I'll dig one up in a minute to show y'all. But yeah, this is what you get. So if you have the opportunity to do chip drop or anything of that nature, hardwood is the preference, but I would just get chip drop. And if you have an area in your yard where you can just put it in something like this, a huge, like bin or whatever, and just keep wetting it, maybe even have some drainage holes in the bottom so it won't get rancid or anything like that. But just let the wood chips break down, take the lid off, let the elements hit it, and you'll have rich compost like this. This didn't even get any type of food scraps or anything. This is the way it broke down. So definitely get yourself some wood chips. It'll be worth it.